Accelerate is the iPad's most powerful training program for improving your reading effectiveness. Accelerate trains you to read faster and remember more. By becoming a stronger reader, you can save time and maximize your productivity in your professional and personal life. Accelerate offers a comprehensive guided course that is fully tailored to your individual needs and goals. The guided course is powered by an advanced training algorithm that's based on the latest research in reading and learning. Like having a personal trainer, it guides you to become a faster, more effective reader. To begin, we first measure your speed and comprehension to determine your baseline. Next, you select between 3 levels of difficulty in order to calibrate the intensity of your training. Accelerate then uses its powerful technology to generate your personalized program. Accelerate's guided course takes the guesswork out of training and is the fastest, surest way to boost your reading fitness. In the Training Center, you have complete flexibility to train with Accelerate's tools. Each tool is specifically designed to strengthen your visual fitness and build your reading effectiveness. They work by targeting the different skills necessary to become a powerful reader. Here you can select reading material from Accelerate's library or import your own. You can also customize the display to find settings that are most comfortable for you. Swiping between tools is easy, as Accelerate bookmarks your position so you never lose your place in the text. Each tool is dynamically adjustable. You can change parameters like reading speed, word group size, and number of columns, and they'll immediately update as you read. This gives you unprecedented control to calibrate your reading experience and advance your reading skills. When building your skills, it's valuable to track your performance. Accelerate has several speed and comprehension tests to choose from that let you continuously measure your improvement so you can see how far you've come. Accelerate is the best way to become a highly effective reader, a skill that will benefit all aspects of your life.